A major storm does form. Scientists will fly a plane into the storm to gather data. Our Cheryl Mercedes explains why the first pilot flew into a hurricane.
Why did flying into hurricanes to collect scientific data start in Texas? The short answer is, it's all thanks to a bet. In 1943, during World War II, British pilots were stationed in Bryan, Texas, at the Bryan Army Airfield. According to reports, those English flyboys started making fun of their American counterparts for moving planes out of the way of a coming hurricane. Lieutenant Colonel Joseph Duckworth got sick of the jokes, so he bet the Brits he could fly the plane into the hurricane and return unharmed. Duckworth took off with just a navigator on board. They headed south into the storm. Air traffic controllers in Houston told them to keep updated of the positions so they would know where to find their wreckage. But Duckworth and his navigator made it, flying through the rough outer bands through the eye before returning back to Bryan Field. Almost as soon as they landed, the field's weather officer asked to be flown into the hurricane. Duckworth agreed, and the men went back into the storm to collect scientific data. So immediately after making history by intentionally flying to a hurricane, Duckworth did it again, and the idea of hurricane hunting was born. With the Why, I'm Cheryl Mercedes.
I would never go up in one of those things.
You would not? Gina Kraft did.
She did it.
She's a tough one.
Yeah. Well,
Can I say, just a side note, that is such a dude bet. I mean, I'm glad they did it. We got a lot of information out of it. But
yeah.
Two women would not be like, I bet you can't do that. That's such a dude bet.
I guess.